Hey guys, we're gonna take a look at this fan right here. Now, let me just turn the box around so you guys can see it all the way around. There might be some information that's missing on the website. You guys can see that right now. Now, this is just an unboxing, not a tutorial of how to install this. We will be doing that on the next video, sure. Also be running a review on this product, but that's later. It's just an unboxing for you guys to see exactly what you get in the box, not a review. Reviews come later on where we can see the performance and how easy this was to install and everything. Right now, again, we're gonna see exactly what you get inside the box. So at this point in time, you see everything that comes inside the box plus the instruction manual. However, yes, you will not be actually needing this if you watch my video of how to install this. It's actually really easy if you want to replace one. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. But you do have a manual that comes with this. So once again, right now you're seeing everything get inside the box. I'm gonna do some close-ups of each one of these things. So here we go. Here are the cables that we need. And of course we need these angles in order to install this. We also get this metal piece. Let's not forget about this. Now this is made out of plastic. You guys can see how this moves, which that's the way it should. Now here comes the cover. That's how it looks like. And yeah, it comes with these guys. It's gonna be very easy to install. And let's not forget about these. And the most important thing, obviously, will be this guy right here. So let me just show you. So that's the plug. We can just leave that right there. You may also notice some important information right here. That's how the fan looks like. And it's pretty heavy, but not too heavy. Now here's the side of it. Okay, to actually show you guys the sticker inside, that's pretty hard to do, but that's the sticker inside. Other than that, all the way around it, that's how it looks like. So let me just turn it all the way around. That's all the way around. Now below it, there's nothing. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing much into this unboxing. That's all you guys get from within the box. And this is pretty heavy. Well, I wouldn't say it's heavier than the normal ones. It's just normal heavy-ish. Other than that, this is pretty standard. All of this is all plastic inside. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.